Marketing is perhaps the fastest changing industry in business today. We can't make the excuse to be lazy with our learning. If we want to keep our marketing skills fresh, then we are going to have to become responsible. We are going to have to become our own teachers. When you're at school, when you're at university, when you're at college, you're in a directed learning environment. In other words, there's a curriculum, there's a process. Read this textbook, write this essay, go to this lecture, listen to this person. Everything is directed. In other words, someone's kind of telling you exactly what you need to do to pass your exams. Now, when we leave university, when we leave college, and we go into a job, when we become an in-house marketer, all of a sudden we go from a directed learning environment to what? Maybe we don't have a mentor. Maybe there's no one in our organization that's willing to direct our learning for us. So all of a sudden, there's no one there to help us anymore. So I'd like to encourage you to be a self-directed learner, to take on that responsibility yourself. Marketing is perhaps the fastest changing industry in business today. So as marketers, as in-house marketers, we don't have the luxury, we can't make the excuse to be lazy with our learning. If we want to stay up to date with the trends, if we want to keep our marketing skills fresh, then we are going to have to become responsible. We are going to have to become our own teachers. And that means things like reading the blogs, getting to the right industry conferences, making sure we are networking with the right people, doing the certifications, doing the courses, perhaps even doing something like writing your own blog or having your own video series. Really getting practical with the skills. That's what it's going to take to be a great marketer, and that's what I hope that you will decide to do as well, is to become your own teacher, to take that responsibility on, to become self-directed and not wait for someone to show you the way. That's what it's going to take to be great in marketing, and I would love to know what you're doing to keep your marketing skills fresh. I'd love to know what you're doing to keep up to date with all the marketing trends. Jump into the comments section, let me know what's on your mind, and I'll speak to you soon. Don't forget to be awesome.